today we are going to look at how to make baking soda scrub. So if you want to get a brighter skin, if you want to get rid of dull skin to brighter skin, my dear, you need baking soda scrub. So I'm going to teach you how to make this remedy at home. Remember, baking soda scrub will help you to get rid of dull skin. So if you need a brighter, glowing skin, my dear, you need this home recipe. That's one. Secondly, if you want to get rid of black spots and dark spots, my dear, this is another way to go through it. You need this home recipe, which I'm going to show you right now. And besides that, this baking soda scrub will help you to get rid of pimples, okay, acne, hyperpigmentation, and wrinkles. So you need to know how to make this home recipe at home. You'll get a glowing skin in just 1 week, okay? So remember, you need baking soda, you need coconut oil, you need Vaseline petroleum jelly, okay? So right now, let us go to our preparation without wasting time. So my dear friends, I want you to get for me Vaseline petroleum jelly. You see, this is my Vaseline petroleum jelly. You too get Vaseline petroleum jelly. Remember, Vaseline helps to soften the skin. Vaseline helps to get rid of dry skin, and that's why we need Vaseline petroleum jelly for this recipe to take place. So I want you to get Vaseline petroleum jelly. So you just need only 1 tablespoon of your Vaseline petroleum jelly, guys. So I need only 1 tablespoon, as you see, for our home recipe to take place. Okay, just 1 tablespoon of Vaseline petroleum jelly. That's what you need, guys. Trust me, this is a powerful home remedy which will help you to give you a glowing skin, brighter skin, acne-free, hyperpigmentation-free, and dark spots-free. Yes. So this is our tablespoon of Vaseline petroleum jelly. From that, I want you to get for me 1 tablespoon of baking soda, guys. This is baking soda, guys. Go to nearby supermarkets, shop, and buy yourself pure baking soda. Okay, baking soda helps you to make your skin smooth, because we shall be scrubbing using this baking soda scrub. So you need also 1 tablespoon, guys. You need also 1 tablespoon, guys. Okay, so you need also 1 tablespoon. So okay, so guys, from that you're going to mix very well. You're going to mix very well, guys. Okay, this is a powerful home remedy which will help you to get rid of dark spots, acne, hyperpigmentation, dull skin. So this is a powerful, guys, powerful home recipe, guys. Okay. From that, you're going to add another spoon of coconut oil. So guys, this is my coconut oil. For you, if you have liquid coconut oil, you can add 1 spoon, but since mine was not in the fridge, it's somehow solid, but it's coconut oil, so just add 1 spoon, guys. Okay, 1 spoon. Just add 1 spoon. Only 1 spoon, guys, is enough. Because as you see, this is our spoon of coconut oil. Yes. So, and again, you have to mix very well. Don't forget, guys. So as you see how it looks like, this is a powerful home recipe for your skin. Trust me. Trust me. For your skin, you need this home recipe, guys. So this is our home recipe. 1 spoon of Vaseline petroleum jelly, another spoon of baking soda, and 1 spoon of coconut oil, guys. Okay, guys, this is our recipe which we have got. Not so, trust me, I told you, you need only 1 tablespoon of Vaseline petroleum jelly, another spoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Okay, so from that you mix your ingredients very well. After mixing, it will look like this. Okay, so if you want to get rid of pimples, dark spots, black spots, acne, hyperpigmentation, you need a brighter skin, my dear, this is the best recipe for you. Okay, you want to get rid of dull skin, this is the best remedy for you. Okay, but before I proceed, my dear, don't forget to subscribe. If you have not yet, guys, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to leave a comment. Commenting is for free of charge, guys. So leave a comment right now, guys. Okay, so remember, I'm your boy Coach Uganda as usual. So if you have a problem, don't forget to leave a comment. If you need help, don't forget to leave a comment. But your presenter is Coach Uganda, and TV itself is Family TV Uganda, guys. So this is the way how you're going to use this home recipe. I want you to apply this home recipe on your face. Scrub in circular motion gently for 5 minutes. At least 5 minutes. Gently. This is a good scrub for your skin. Trust me, after scrubbing, I want you to use warm water, okay, to clean your face. After cleaning your face, you can repeat the procedure only 3 days in the week: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. My dear, don't exceed 3 days in the week. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is enough for your skin to become better. You have a dull skin, you need a brighter skin. You have black spots, dark spots, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, acne. My dear, you need this home remedy right now, which you have learned. Leave a comment, subscribe, share, and of course invite your friends to this YouTube channel. Subscribing is for free of charge, guys. I love you so much. May God bless you. Bye bye.